Hey there, today we're taking a look at the Letsfit sleeping sound machine. This sound machine makes 14 different sounds for your desired amount of time in order to help you go to sleep while still looking really great on your nightstand. First off, inside the box, you will get a card reminding you to register your product to get a 1-year extended warranty for free with Letsfit. We are also going to get the sound machine, an AC wall adapter, and a getting started guide just to get familiar with all of the device's features. Taking a closer look at the sound machine, you can see the modern design, which looks really stunning. The product feels really good and it's very intuitive and very easy to use. There are 3 buttons right on the front. This makes it super easy to operate in the dark without looking. But on the off chance that you don't want to operate in the dark, it does have a built-in nightlight right across the bottom, which gives a really nice warm glow, which helps you go to sleep while listening to your favorite sounds. On the bottom of the device, we do have 4 rubber feet, and this is going to prevent it from sliding around on your nightstand or scratching your nightstand, which is really nice. As far as getting this up and running, it is very simple. Just take the AC adapter, connect it right to the bottom of the machine, and then connect that to a wall socket. When it has power, you can now use all its features, so let's go ahead and run through everything this sound machine can do. As you can see at the top of the machine, there is a metal grill which acts as the speaker, of course, but it also acts as a touch sensitive button. So just tapping on that grill will allow you to toggle the nightlight on or off, which is super easy to do. But you can also tap and hold your finger on the metal grill, and that's gonna basically toggle the whole machine on or off. So you don't have to switch any buttons or click any buttons if you wanna do that. It is very simple to do and very easy to do even while you're super sleepy in the middle of the night. Now moving on to the buttons on the front of the device, the top plus button will allow you to switch to the next sound by clicking it once, or you can bring the volume up if you click and hold that button until you get to your desired volume. The middle minus button will allow you to go to the previous sound by clicking it once, or it will bring the volume down when you click and hold it until it gets to your desired volume. The bottom button, which is labeled with a T, is your timer. Now each time this is clicked, you will increase the amount of your timer, which can be set to 15, 30, 60, 90, or 120 minutes. If you happen to change your mind on the timer, you can turn it off by just clicking and holding that T button for 2 seconds, which will completely disable it. And when you do that, your music will play indefinitely or until you set a timer again, or just tap and hold your finger on the top of the machine to turn it off. Now let's go ahead and take a look at a little preview as to how this machine would work in action on your nightstand.
"90 minutes timing. Timing cancel."
So hopefully that gives you an idea of how this machine would act and how you'd use it on your nightstand. On the off chance that you need to reset the device to factory settings, this can be done by disconnecting the device from the power source. You then hold the T button and then connect the device back to the power source at the same time, and continue holding that until you hear a voice prompt saying factory recovery. To sum things up, the device is incredibly easy to use. You get 14 different sounds to choose from. My favorite are the singing birds. That's what I use to go to sleep. And it is super nice that you also get that built-in nightlight. So sometimes when you want to wake up in the middle of the night, you just tap your hand on top of the machine and it gives you some light so you can see around you. That pretty much concludes this video for the Letsfit sleep sound machine. Hopefully this helps you get started with your device.